Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're looking at how do we construct a tangent to a circle from a given point. Now, the given point will be outside of the given circle. Now, in an exam question or in a question that is given, that is not in an exam setting, they don't normally specify the part that says that is outside a given circle. It's just for clarification for this tutorial that I wrote that I included that information. So the title for today's video is how to construct a tangent to a given circle from a given point. Okay, the part that is in the brackets is not normally included in the description. Is that clear? All right, so we're looking at the question, right? All right, so let us give you some more concrete information. All right. Now, originally, this is how I had the question, but I wanted to put it at an angle so that you would be familiar with the concept of that the line OP does not necessarily have to be horizontal. Okay, so please bear that in mind. Thank you. All right, so on the left of the screen we have the given question. All right, so looking at it, what we have a point, we have a circle of diameter 152 millimeters, and we have a point P which is which is which is 221 millimeters to the right of the center of the circle and 228 millimeters south of the center of the circle O. Okay, so what we want a tangent from the point P to touch the circle tangentially. All right, the first thing that we're gonna draw, can you guess what's the first thing we're gonna draw? We're gonna draw the given circle. All right, so we use our circle command. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna start it here. All right, so the radius would be 76. All right, so we have our center. The next thing we're gonna center of the circle and the circle. The next thing we're gonna draw is a line from the center of the circle going towards the right of the center of the circle, which is 121 millimeters long. All right, so hope you're following along. All right, so there we need 221 millimeters. All right, then going down we need 128 millimeters. Enter. So the point P would be right here. All right. So let us label that. All right. So this is point P, and this one is point O. All right. All right. Move it down a little bit. It's a bit too close. We want our drawing to look neat. All right. All right. Now the first step is to join the center of the circle to the given point P. Okay. So I need to go in my construction layer, which I'm using as a default layer 0. All right. So we go line. We're gonna join from the center of the circle to the given point P. All right. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna bisect the given line, the line OP. All right. So we can use our arc command All right, let us specify. And we can, all right, so I can use arc command, center 160. All right, so here we have our first arc, right? The radius would be greater than half the length of the line. You don't have to measure it, you just look at it and estimate where halfway would be, right? So if you want to say eyeball, but you wouldn't say eyeball the distance, you would say estimate. Draw an arc greater than half the distance. So this distance, if that distance looks whatever it is, look like 200 millimeters long, you would draw half of that would be 100. So a radius which would be greater than that would be anything greater than half 200, so it would be like 120, for example, or 130. But the same radius that you mark the arc is the same radius you're going to mark the arc from P. Okay. All right, so here I've bisected the line OP. So at center O, radius greater than half the length of the line OP, mark an arc, this arc. Same radius from P, from P, using the same radius that you drew this arc, you're going to draw another arc from center P, same radius that you use for the first arc. Where the two arcs intersect, you draw this line. This line will be the bisector, right? Then the next step is to draw a semicircle at the intersection of the bisector and the line OP. So center, radius, you draw a semicircle, okay? Where this semicircle intersect the original circle, that would give it a normal. So let's draw that. A line from the intersection to the center of the circle O, that would be the normal. A line drawn from P to the end of the normal, that would be the tangent, all right? That would be the tangent, all right? So go again, line, enter, that would be the tangent. This will be the tangent, the line drawn from P to the normal. The normal is going from O to the intersection of the semicircle. This will be the normal. All right. And as I said, is a line from the intersection of the semicircle where it intersect the circle. That would be the normal. And then a line drawn from P, which is a point outside the circle in this instance, to the end where the normal intersect the circle. This would be the tangent. All right. Good. Now, another thing we can do, we can label the line tangent if we need to do so, okay? So we can label it tangent. Is all right.
If you found the information useful, then perhaps you could subscribe, press the notification bell, click the like button, share and subscribe, and or comment.
So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how to construct a tangent to a circle from a given point, okay? Um, we drew the normal and we drew the tangent. The tangent was what was required, okay? So thanks for watching, and in the next video, I hope your drawing was splendid. I hope your drawing was splendid, as it always is, and we're looking forward to having you in the next video. In the next video, we'll be looking at conic sections. So take care until we meet again.